This is the newest addition to the Infinix family. It is the Infinix Hot 30 device, and this is an unboxing and review video. Let's see what this device is capable of and if it's actually worth the purchase. I'm Desi, and here's what you get when you purchase the Infinix Hot 30 device.
I ran up a check, I might do it again.
In the box, you're greeted with the phone itself. Taking off the undercover, there's a transparent silicone case, a 33-watt Type A charger, a Type C to Type A USB cable, a surprise 3.5mm earpiece. It's been a while I've seen this in any smartphone box, as well as a cute little SIM ejector pin. For a starting price of just 1,702 Ghana cedis, that's about $170, it's incredible you're getting all these in the box. Now to the phone itself. What I have is the racing black color, which looks really good. The way it reflects light to give off different shades of black is incredible. Don't be fooled to think it's made of glass, because it's made of plastic, which looks and feels a lot like glass. It gives off a premium vibe. In case you're not into all black designs, there are other color options available. You can get either the Sonic White or the Surfing Green. Take it from me, you would definitely slap on a case to protect this device. I won't because I can't afford to hide this beautiful design. One thing I don't really like is the fact that it's a fingerprint magnet. I constantly have to be rubbing off fingerprints. A case would definitely solve that issue. Still on the design, it has flat edges that feel surprisingly very comfortable and steady in hand. On the right side of the phone is the volume buttons, as well as the power button, which doubles as a fingerprint reader. On the bottom, the headphone jack, a microphone, a USB-C charging port, and a speaker. To the left, a dual SIM card and SD card slot. At the top, absolutely nothing, and at the back, a triple camera setup with 2 rings being actual cameras and 1 being a flashlight. Now let's talk about the screen. It's a 6.7-inch FHD Plus 90Hz IPS display. It's expected considering the price, but it's a really decent display that can definitely get you hooked when staring right down at it. It has minimal bezels and a punch hole camera. The display is really good and gives off some decent colors when viewing content, comparing it against similar displays in this price point. It may not be the brightest display to use when outdoors because it's only 500 nits, but should you find yourself mostly being indoors whilst viewing content, it will be perfectly fine. It also has pretty decent viewing angles, that's when you turn it to the side. One thing I appreciate is the fact that they didn't use a teardrop design to house the selfie camera. It usually took up unnecessary space. This hole punch design gives off a seamless viewing experience. That's a plus for me. Performance is something a lot of people consider when purchasing devices. The Infinix Hot 30 comes with a MediaTek Helio G88 processor, a Mali G52 GPU, 8GB base RAM which can be boosted up to 16GB RAM using memory fusion, and right out of the box you're getting Android 13. Performance wise, it performs really decent comparing it against devices in similar price points. It's not going to break any charts, it's not going to blow your mind, but should you be playing certain games like Call of Duty Mobile, you get pretty decent performance. You can play as low graphics and high refresh rates, definitely thanks to its 90Hz display. Trying anything beyond that would run you into some lagging issues. There's also an issue I have with all Infinix devices, and I've had it for quite a long time: bloatware. This device comes pre-installed with quite a lot of apps I wouldn't even use, but can't delete all of them, you can only delete a few. Even though it's running Android 13, just by looking at it, you would not even know. Infinix has failed to implement things like the new Material U design language that can do things like matching your apps to your wallpaper color, or even a more cleaner notification panel. I would have liked elements of that to be present in this device, but unfortunately it's not. All in all, performance wise, you'll be able to do most things you need with ease. Now to the most exciting part of this device, the battery. It has a 5000 mAh battery which supports 33 watts fast charging. You can get a full charge from 0 to 100% in under an hour. So imagine you drain your battery the previous night and forget to charge it. In the morning before you head out to work, you can place it on charge, take your shower, eat your breakfast, and it will be fully charged before you head out. That's really cool. If you do play a lot of games or stream a lot of content, just know you'll be perfectly fine battery wise. On this device, you're getting a 50 megapixel main camera, an AI camera, and on the front an 8 megapixel camera. Again, considering the price, you should not be expecting the extremely best footage. It's again decent in all aspects, and here are some sample footage for you to decide. All in all, the Infinix Hot 30 is a device a lot of people would be extremely comfortable with. It has a stunning design, very decent display and cameras. It has the option for expandable storage, 8GB RAM, solid battery life, and super fast charging, all for just 1,702 Ghana cedis. If you're considering purchasing this device, I hope this video helps you make your decision. I'd appreciate if you leave a like on this video and a sub to the channel. I'm Desi, and thanks for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Peace.